Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A4 headliner. First, ensure your car battery is disconnected for safety. Begin by gently prying off the A, B, and C pillar trim pieces. Next, unscrew the sun visors and their corresponding clips. Finally, carefully detach the overhead console and the dome light assembly, unplugging any electrical connectors as you go. Now, proceed to remove all the grab handles. You'll typically find small covers that pop open to reveal the screws underneath. Double-check that all other roof-mounted accessories, like the rear dome light or any sensors, are unclipped and their electrical connections are fully unplugged. Take a moment to ensure no hidden screws or clips remain. With all components removed, you can now gently begin to pull the headliner edges away from the roof. Work your way around the entire perimeter, carefully releasing any remaining clips that hold it in place. Confirm that absolutely no wires are still attached to the headliner board itself. Once free, slowly and carefully lower the entire headliner board into the cabin space. To extract the headliner, recline both front seats as far back as possible to create maximum space. Carefully angle the headliner board, usually through one of the front or rear door openings, depending on your vehicle's size. Maneuver it out slowly to avoid bending or creasing the material. Store it flat to prevent any damage before reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.